Hello friends. Friends, today we will discuss the concept of the meaning of electric flux. Now first, let us try to understand the meaning of flux. Only the meaning of flux. Now flux literally means flow. Flow of anything. Like for example, if I say water flux means flow of water, the flow of water. Similarly, in electric fields, now electric field is due to the charges. Now suppose if there is a charge q, and we know that due to this charge there will be electric field, there will be electric lines of force. If there will be positive charge, then there will be electric lines of force. If there will be negative charge, then there will be electric lines of forces. Okay, so there is electric flux, that is flow of electric lines. So electric flux is defined as the total number of lines of force passing normally through a curved surface in the field, Now what is the meaning of this? Now for example, there is any curved surface like this, and it is having a very small area element. We can denote it like ds, and suppose here is a charge q, very small amount of charge dq placed here, and an electric field is passing through this small area of element. Okay, total number of lines of force, meaning the total number of lines of force passing normally through a curved surface in the field, that is mathematically it will be phi. Phi is the symbol of electric flux, integral of E dot ds. This is the closed integral of E dot ds, and the MKS unit will be Newton meter square per coulomb. I repeat, flux simply means the flow, and electric flux means the flow of electric lines of force. From where? From a particular area. Okay, now from this area, if lines of force are passing through this small amount of area, then this is known as electric flux. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning of electric flux. Thank you. Thanks a lot.